Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ella if you're new here, if not then hello. So today's video is actually a vlog of me moving into this room here. So yesterday I moved from Cambridge back to Birmingham and I brought all of my things with me. I moved in completely. I packed all my things away, did all my drawers, and I started decorating. So today's video is me vlogging that, and yeah, I just thought that I'd bring you along and let you see how I kind of moved in and decorated my walls and my room. I will be having a room tour at the end of this week, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I just thought that it'd be really fun to show you what a move-in day back to university looks like. It was a really successful day, it was very productive, very tiring, but I was super happy with how it went, how the decorating and moving in went. So yeah, that's what today's video is. As always, if you enjoy it, I love if you gave it a big thumbs up and subscribed, and let's get on with the move-in vlog. So we've got everything packed in the car. It fit quite nicely actually, which is good, and we're off to Birmingham. Okay, so we've just unpacked our car, we've moved everything into the kitchen, and we're going to move things up in a second, but I thought I'd give you a quick empty room tour. So this is the outside of my room. I'm in the 3rd floor, so the top floor, and yeah, let's have a look. Ooh, oh my god, this is so nice. So we've got chest of drawers here, big huge double bed over there, my bedside table, and then my drawer that also comes with the chair, which is really good. This is going to be perfect for studying. I really love all the wall space. I got so much wall space, just so perfect. And then over here we have my wardrobe, and then the bathroom in here. Okay, so that's the empty room tour. I literally love my room so much. It's so nice and spacious. I've ordered a few things, some decorations and some things for the walls, so that's going to be really perfect. And yeah, I think for now we're just gonna move some things into my room and then probably start unpacking. I'm gonna put some clothes into drawers and I think maybe hang some things up. So we'll start with that and I'll do a quick time lapse. I think what I'm going to plan on doing is putting some jumpers and jeans in these drawers, just so it saves some space in the wardrobe, and then putting any stationery and camera equipment in the rest. So I'll do that now. Okay, so these are all my drawers. I really like how I've kind of put things in. I never usually use drawers, I usually use the wardrobe, but I put my jeans in here as you can see, and some jumpers, some underwear, bits and bobs. So yeah, that's all my drawers. I'm gonna now do some hanging up in my wardrobe. I'm gonna put some tops in, so I'll do another time lapse of that. And then I'm gonna sort out my makeup. Whew, it's very tiring, but it's looking good so far, so I'm really excited. Great, so I'm happy with how these look, and now it's time to do the bathroom. So I got this kind of suction holder to store my shampoos and things, and I actually got it from Homebase. It was so cheap, it was like £3. And yeah, I prefer having these instead of having to obviously put things on the floor. So I really recommend getting these. They just go up using like suction pads and they're so useful. I also have this for the bathroom. It's like a big kind of storage unit because I don't have any storage under my sink. So I got this from Dunelm and it was literally, it was like £10. It was so good. So I'm going to put all my kind of toiletries in here and like face wash, face wipes. So yeah, hopefully that will just make the place look a bit neater and tidier, because like I said, I don't actually have any storage area, so this is going to be very useful. And it fits perfectly just there. So yeah, perfect. Okay, so that's my bathroom pretty much all sorted. All I needed to do was put that storage in and also put the storage holder in my shower, so that was pretty easy. And then in terms of my bedroom, all I had to do was hang some things, put them in some drawers, put my makeup into some storage, and yeah, I think I pretty much moved in, which is so good. And the last thing to do is put my bed sheets on, which is the most exciting thing. I'm so looking forward to you guys seeing my bed sheets. They're actually from Wilko. I think they were like £10, so they're so cheap. And yeah, let's go do that now. I love this duvet set. I got it from Wilko actually, and they do some really nice plant themed ones. And then I got the blue sheets and blue pillows from Dunelm. They also do a lot of different varieties. And yeah, there's my bed all made, and I just love it so much. I think it looks really good. Okay, all the bed sheets are done. I really love my sheets so much. I think they're probably my favourite ones I've ever gotten. And I think it's just going to suit my room so much because I'm thinking of decorating a lot with plants. So yeah, I'm super happy about that. So that's pretty much it for moving in. I've packed everything in the drawers and everything. So now's for the fun part, the decorating. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got tons of things, decoration wise, and some hanging things for my walls. And I thought I'd just give you a little haul to show you some of the things that I bought. Okay, so I guess we'll start with this big Amazon delivery. I have a feeling I know what this is, but we'll open it up anyway. Okay, so this is some fake ivy, and inside it also comes with some fairy lights. So I'm thinking of putting these kind of maybe on the back of my wall or this wall behind me, just to have some like nice fake vines coming down with some fairy lights. And then the package also came with some command strips, so useful, really recommend. And then some more plant things. I got fake succulent plants, they're really nice. I got these from Dunelm and they're about £2 each. So I thought I could maybe put some of these on my wall, and along with these actually, I got quite a lot of picture frames, and I looked on Pinterest at some kind of plant-based walls, and they do a really nice thing where you can actually kind of take a plant leaf, whether it's a fake one or a real one, and put it in a photo frame and hang it up, and it looks really nice. And then I also have some actual photographs. So I got these paintings when I went on holiday a couple of years ago, and they're so nice. I have this one and then one with a nice tiger. So I'm gonna hang this up on my wall because I don't know, I just think they're so nice and cute. And the wood kind of goes with the theme that I'm looking for. I have this dream catcher. I'm not gonna hang it above my bed simply because I don't really have room. And yeah, I just think it's really, really cute. My sister got this for me from when she went traveling, and I like the kind of woolly rope vibes. So that's gonna be really good. This is pretty much the same thing as my dream catcher. It's a really, really nice macrame kind of hanging thing. Oh, I love it. This is perfect. That I'm going to put on one of my walls because I just have so much wall space, and I think this is going to look so good. Ooh, I got this from Amazon. Super cheap, it was about £10. I'm really happy with this. So that's that. And then for my jewellery, I have this stand. I did actually already have this. I'm not sure where I got it from. I think it might have just been from Amazon. You can put your necklaces and hang them down and put some like hoop earrings in them. This is really nice, and I like the kind of gold vibe. I have a really, really nice soft white rug. This is from Dunelm as well, and it's just so soft, and I think it will give kind of a nice different vibe because the carpet here isn't the nicest, and I just really like the idea of having like a nice white rug. And then along with the rug, I have this absolutely huge mirror, as you can see. I'm thinking of putting this next to my chest of drawers, as I don't really have a great mirror in my room. I do have one on my wardrobe, but it's not in the best angle or position. This is from Wilko and it's £10. Again, so cheap. Wilko is another really good place to go. And yeah, I was thinking of putting the kind of rug underneath the mirror. I think it would look really nice. And then finally, last but not least, I have this huge indoor plant. I got this from Homebase. It does come with a pot, but I thought I'd just show you it now. It's just really nice. And I thought, again, I put this next to my mirror just to kind of spice up the room a little, have a few plants. I am thinking of getting a few more plants because I know the university does a plant sale near the start of the semester, so I'm going to definitely get some more of these, some smaller ones though. But yeah, I just thought this was really nice, so I grabbed it. And that's pretty much it. I guess we're just going to begin to start decorating. So I'll take you along with me. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to start with my mirror. Like I said, I want to put it by the chest of drawers. So I'm thinking of kind of just putting it here, maybe resting it on some books or something. So we'll start with this. So yeah, this was from Wilko, like I said, and oh my god, the things there are so good. They've got such a good kind of back to school homeware section. So I really recommend going to Wilko if you haven't got all of your bits and bobs. So I'm thinking of literally just putting it there. I think I might put it up a bit so I can see myself fully. Yeah, there, that fits much better because I'm quite tall. So I would need it to stand up a bit. So yeah. Number one done. And then like I said earlier, I did want my rug to be near my mirror. And then finally, we've got this amazing plant, which I'm just gonna put probably right next to the mirror again. Just because when I'm taking some nice pictures, I can have a nice greenery next to it. And yeah, I think this will look really good. So I'm gonna put this down here. I think the next thing I want to do is this ivy. Okay, so these are the tiny fairy lights, and then, wow, and then this is the huge ivy. I think this is going to be really big. I love how this turned out. It looks so good. I'm not sure yet whether I do want to put the fairy lights on because I feel like I could use them for maybe a different wall like this one. But yeah, I'm just going to see how it goes. I love this vinyl though. I think it looks really good. And luckily they were all like individual. They were cut, which was really good. So it meant that I could easily hang them. So yeah, that's that all done. Okay, after some thinking, I've decided that I do want the fairy lights on this wall instead of the vines, just because I think it'll even out the walls a bit. And I'm gonna have my dream catcher and the 2 painted photographs on there as well. So let's do that now. Okay, so this is that wall for now. I'll show you what the lights look like. They actually look really pretty. And I think at the end of my whole decorating process, if I have any like plants, like the fake plant leaves left, I'm definitely going to put some more on this wall because it's looking a little bare, especially compared to this big green wall here. So this is what it looks like so far, but it might get changed. And this is what the fairy lights look like on, so they're so nice and pretty. I definitely probably wouldn't have had enough room to put them on this wall as well, so I am glad that I decided to move them onto this wall. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna probably put a few more things on this wall at the end when I've got some leftovers. But yeah, that's this one. Okay, so moving on to this huge wall here, I'm definitely going to put the macrame there, and then I'm going to put some photo frames around along with some of the plants in the photo frames. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so this is the right wall done. I love how it turned out. I think it looks really good. And I only used 2 photo frames, and I think it actually looks a lot better. I did stick up one of my fake plants over there, and yeah, I just really like how it looks. Okay, so the last wall to do is my desk wall, and for that I'm going to do some nice photographs of some line drawings and some quotes. I've got some nice positivity quotes that I've printed out, and I'm just going to place those on my wall, and then that's it. That's all of the walls done. So these are the photos I was talking about. I have some nice quotes, and then like I said, I've got some really nice line drawings. So I think I'm going to probably do it like this and pin them up using blue tack, and then that'll be it. Okay, so that's every wall done. I'm so glad that I got them all done. I actually did quite a lot today, which I'm really happy with. And yeah, I'm completely moved in now, which is so good. All my things are away, I've got nothing on the floor, and yeah, all my walls are nice. You'll have to let me know which wall's your favourite. I've had so much fun decorating today. I will be doing a dorm room tour. I know tons of you saw my University of Birmingham one, so I will be remaking one of those for this room, and that should be coming up by the end of this week, so watch out for that. So yeah, you'll be able to see what I've done with the rest of the room, and that's pretty much it for today. I've had such a good move-in day. It's been very stressful but very productive, so I'm super happy with that. I hope you guys liked this move-in vlog. You'll have to let me know down below if you did. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so happy now that I'm back in Birmingham. I'm gonna have so much Birmingham content for you guys coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. And that's about it for the video. So as always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!